Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Capital One Auto Finance Easy Access step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type www.capitalone.com and press enter. Once the Capital One homepage loads, locate the Sign In option at the top right corner. Click on the Sign In button. You will be directed to a new page. Here, enter your username in the designated field. Next, input your password in the password field below. Make sure to double-check that your credentials are correct. If you've forgotten your username or password, click the respective link for assistance. Once you have entered your credentials, click the Sign In button to proceed. After successfully logging in, you should see your account dashboard. From here, you can access your auto finance details and manage your account settings. If you experience any issues, consider clearing your browser's cache and cookies. Another solution is to try logging in from a different browser or device. For added security, Capital One may ask you to verify your identity through a code sent to your registered mobile number or email. Follow the prompts to complete the verification process if prompted. Once logged in, navigate through the options to find the specific features you need related to your auto finance. Remember to log out of your account when you're finished to keep your information secure. And that concludes the steps for logging into Capital One Auto Finance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.